We asked our pro window cleaning Facebook community who wants their order packed live. Well, this one's heading to the Rocky Mountains. Let's pack Harry's order from Colorado. He's sticking with brass, picking up the Ed Master Brass channels in 6, 10, and 18 inches. To match, he added the Ed Master Brass quick release handle with a rubber grip, as well as the 14-inch Ed Complete Brass backflip squeegee. And the best part, since Harry's order was over $500 before checking out, he chose the Ultimate Squeegee Combo as his free gift, which is the Mormon Accelerator 2.0 handle paired with a 14-inch Master Brass channel. As always, this order is heading out same day, and of course, shipping's on us. Harry stocked up on our most popular selling rubber. So here's two 12-packs of Ed Master Squeegee rubber in 14 and 18 inches. Scrapers, we've got that covered. He added the 4-inch Unger Ergotech Ninja scraper. He also stocked up on the 6-inch Ergotech Premium stainless steel blades. But wait, that raised the red flag. That scraper isn't compatible with the 6-inch blades. Don't worry, Harry, we've got your back. So before anything else, we had our amazing customer service team reach out to make sure this wasn't a mistake. And after a quick call with Harry, we found out he meant to order the 6-inch scraper all along. So we packed the right one instead, because those small details make a huge difference. Every detail done right tells our customers, we see you, we care, and you can count on us. Speaking of doing things right, he chose a great scrubber, the Ed Complete Pro Plus Microfiber Script Washer, which includes the Ed Pro Plus Super System T-Bar and the Pro Plus Microfiber Sleeve. Harry got the Blue Polex bucket set, and for soap, he's keeping it simple and reliable. 38 ounces of Dawn dish detergent and a quart of Titan Glass Gleam 4. He's also getting a Polex Techno pad with a blue handle and 10-0 white scrub pads for that extra aggressive scrubbing power. Harry also went with a full belt setup. He added an Unger belt with the Unger Ninja Bell Lab and a Mormon Dry Walker replacement quip. What else? A Washer's Paradise Scream King, a 3-pack of Maker track brushes, a 0 track cleaner, and a 12-pack of ultra premium recycled surgical towels. That's a wrap. The best companies make you feel like you're not in it alone. They anticipate needs, solve problems, and show up when it matters most. Thanks again for the order and support, Harry.